Understanding cat communication is essential for building a strong bond with your feline companion. Cats communicate through various vocalizations, body language, and behaviors. Here are 7 key aspects of cat communication. 1. Vocalizations. Cats use a range of vocalizations to express themselves. Meowing, purring, hissing, growling, and chirping are some of the ways they communicate with humans and other animals. 2. Purring. Cats often purr when they're content, but they may also purr when they're in pain or stress.